Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to add the WhatsApp chat button to your website in Hostinger Website Builder. So the requirements for this one is, of course, you have to have the Hostinger Website Builder site. And this is going to be a paid website. A paid website builder, rather. And I think there is no free trial yet for this one. Moving forward, the WhatsApp account with your number, including your country code. Get those ready. Step 1, log into Hostinger by this website. Choose your site and click Edit Website. Next up, go to Format, and basically for this one, this should be the format you'll be looking for. Optional web message, this is the one we're looking for. We're just gonna create our WhatsApp link. So the format should be this one, the only thing you're gonna change is your number right there. For example, it should be looking like this, alright? So this should be the format and just enter your phone number on that part right here. Perfect. So step 3, add the button. Click Add Elements button and place where you want it. Edit the button text and chat on WhatsApp. So set the link to your WhatsApp URL and open a new tab. Style and publish for the step 4 and customize button design, colors, and the works. This depending on you guys. So click preview to test and publish to go live. It's gonna be simple as that. Edit, enter the button, enter the link, and you'll be good to go. Just add your style and perfect to publish. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.